Friends, if you want to see MaxBounty approval proof and its affiliate dashboard, then you must watch this video till the end. Hello and welcome friends, welcome back to another awesome video. So friends, today in this video, I'm going to show you the proof of MaxBounty affiliate marketing network. Okay, so as you can see over here, 5 days back I have made one video regarding how to apply for MaxBounty. Okay, in this video I have showed you that how you can fill application for MaxBounty approval and how you can easily take approval. Okay, so if you haven't watched this video, you should watch this video. I will share the link in the I button. Now in this video some people commented that you will not get approval, it is very hard to get approval. Okay, so for all those who are thinking that, I'm going to show you the proof of MaxBounty approval and affiliate dashboard in this video. So if you too want to see the MaxBounty proof of approval, then you should watch this video. Alright, as today I'm going to reveal everything. I'm going to share with you my strategies or my personal experience, okay, how to get approved on MaxBounty easily. So first of all, before just showing you proof, let me tell you something about MaxBounty. Okay, so just wait a second, let me go to maxbounty.com. so let me give you a quick intro about maxbounty.com. So as you all know, it is one of the biggest CPA affiliate marketing network which has a lot of traffic. So as you can see over here, it has more than 800,000 visits per month. Okay, so it is one of the biggest CPA affiliate marketing network where multiple high paying and best affiliate or CPA offers are available. Alright, so in order to earn from MaxBounty, you need to join this network as an affiliate. Now I know that it is little bit hard, not so much. Okay, if you are applying with a website, it is very easy for you to get approved on MaxBounty. Okay, so first you should apply with a website or a source where you have lot of content. Now you should not apply with your Instagram account or with your Facebook page. Okay, you should skip all these methods, and instead of this, either you should apply with your website, it is the best method, or you have to apply with your YouTube channel where you have lot of valuable content. Alright, so as you can see over here, first of all you need to join this network as an affiliate. Now let me show the proof that how I got approved and when I got approved on this network. So as you can see over here, 4 days back I have received this email. As you can see, Tuesday 19 October 11:16. Okay, it is AM, which means that on Tuesday 19 October 11:16 AM I have applied for MaxBounty. Okay, as you can see over, I have applied for MaxBounty affiliate network. Now let me show you that email which I have received in just 12 hours of approval. Just wait a second. Let me show you that one email. Just wait a second. MaxBounty approval. Okay, this one. So as you can see over here, your MaxBounty application has been approved. As your affiliate manager, it is my pleasure to officially welcome you to the network, which means that within just 12 hours, as you can see over here, Tuesday 19 October 21:49, which means that it is 11:50 p.m. Okay, so around in 12 hours I have received this email in my inbox of MaxBounty approval, as you can see over here. So it is the proof of email. Now let me show you my MaxBounty affiliate dashboard. So as you can see over here, I am on my MaxBounty dashboard. As you can see, my name is showing over here. So it is the complete dashboard of MaxBounty where you will get many best CPA offers. As you can see, $22 per CPA, $1.7 CPA. Okay, and there are more. As you can see, 2.75, 3.75. So here on this network you will get multiple best and high paying CPA offers, and if you want to know more, you have to go in the browse section. Okay, and now here you can easily apply the filters, or here you will get many best and high paying CPA offers which are giving you, as you can see, $15 per lead, $14 per lead. So as you can see $10, $18, and as you can see $75 per lead. Okay, so it is one of the highest paying pay per lead offer that you can join, promote and make money online with it. Okay, now along with the pay per lead offer, there are also some CPS offers. As you can see 14% off sale, which means that you will get sale commission also, as well as lead commission also on this network. Okay, so it is one of the best affiliate marketing network that you should join, and you should earn money online from this network. Now this MaxBounty also has its two-tier affiliate program, which means that if you will just simply refer to one affiliate, like as you can see refer an affiliate. Okay, so if you will refer MaxBounty to one affiliate, and if that affiliate get approved on MaxBounty, and if he earns commission, of his commission you will earn some percentage, some amount of percentage. So let me show you, just wait a second. As you can see you will earn 5% of their revenue for 12 months, which means that it is a two-tier affiliate program. Okay, so here is a link. So once you get approved on MaxBounty, you can easily get your two-tier affiliate link to refer to an affiliate to join MaxBounty. Okay, and this is the best part I like about this network, and it is amazing. So all you need to do is simply you have to search for the best offer. Okay, here are multiple offers which you can join and can promote to earn money online. Like as you can see Survey Junkie US first redemption, which means that it is a Survey Junkie offer, and you all are aware of Survey Junkie. Okay, so it is basically a survey website, and as you can see your status approved. Now as you can see here you will get $20 per lead, and the lead is first redemption of the money. Okay, that particular user will earn, and if he redeems that money you are going to get $20 commission. And this is the best part about CPA marketing, that here you need not to sell anything. All you need to do is simply you have to bring leads to them. Okay, so in this field you can easily earn a very good amount of money online. So my main motive to make this video is to make aware that MaxBounty is a very good platform, and you too can join this platform to make money from it. And as you can see, if you want to search for programs customly, as you can see over here, there are multiple offers. Okay, now if you want to apply the filter of categories, like here are multiple categories: business to business, e-commerce, education, okay, gaming, health, holiday. So there are multiple categories in which you will find many best in hyping offers, and you can even apply the filter of countries like US, UK, India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, in which country you want offer. Okay, of which country you want offer. And here are some subcategories, like for an example, if you apply the filter of education. Okay, now here are some subcategories like scholarships, schools or portals. So in this way you can even go narrow by applying the filter of subcategories. Okay, now here is a filter of approved to run, bookmarked, never promoted before. So according to you, you can easily apply any filter and CPA type per lead or revenue share. Revenue share is basically two-tier affiliate program. Okay, and per lead is simple as a per lead commission only. Alright, so if you just after applying all the filters, you need to click on the apply search options, and as you can see the offer which you will see here are in the category of education. Okay, so it is very easy for you to take out, to take out some best quality and pay per lead offers on MaxBounty. And as you can see over here, $60 per lead, and 80% of sale is very high. And as you can see $1.6 per lead and $1.4 per lead. And here you can see the traffic also, which means that email and contextual, mobile ads, native ads, display ads and social also, which means that you can easily promote this particular campaign from here with the help of these sources, this traffic. So I think that it is a gold mine. Okay, it is a gold mine for a beginner who want to earn quickly in the industry of affiliate marketing. But the only thing is that you need to get approved by MaxBounty, which is not a difficult task. I know some people face very difficulties to get approved on MaxBounty, but if you apply with a source that has a good quality content, then you will easily get approved. Okay, so if you will follow my recommendation, you should apply with a website or a YouTube channel or a content or a good quality content. Okay, So if you want to get approved on MaxBounty, you have to follow the link which is given in the description. Of course, that will be my affiliate link. If you join and get approved and will earn, then I will earn 5% of your commission. Okay, and this will not affect your earnings. I will get 5% of your earnings by MaxBounty. Okay, so if you want to get approved, if you want to know how to apply for MaxBounty, you have to watch this video, which is this one. I will share the link in the I button, don't worry. And after getting approved on MaxBounty, you can easily earn a very good amount of money in affiliate marketing. So in this video, this much only. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and also press the bell icon for all notifications right in your inbox. Thank you.